Hello again, everyone. It's Adrian with Property Seal Inspection Services. There's some good news, actually. Um, Somebody was looking to buy the house showcased in the last video, so the sale is currently pending. And I've decided to go back today to just check it out, meet the people, and get the house sold. So. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fuck are they at?
Hey, Brad,
Yeah.
you said the family interested in the property drove a gray Blazer, right?
Yeah, what's the problem?
Well, they're not here. You said they'd be here around 5:30, right?
Yeah, actually, the thing is, they already came earlier today. I provided them with the keys so they could take a look for themselves.
What? You're telling me I drove all the way out here just for nobody to be here? I had a sale in mind today. I spoke with the realtor, and they said they're gonna be here soon. Hey, Brad, I gotta let you go. Hey! Hey! Hey!